So today we're gonna learn on combining two words, adjective plus noun. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
Yay! Very good. Alright, let's start with the first one. What's this?
Happy face. Happy face.
Wow, good job. Okay, I stand. Yay! Alright, let's start with the second one.
Big.
Small.
Ball. Small ball.
Good job. Yay! Hi there. So if this is small, this is
Medium.
oh no, it's medium.
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 Ball.
Medium
Good job. Okay, do this. Good job. If this is medium, this is
Big.
big.
Big ball.
Good job. Nice one, everybody. So there are three benefits that I want to share with you regarding this unique IEP. Which is the first one is to increase vocabulary storage. As you can see that when we grow up, our limit of storing all the vocabulary that we learn throughout listening to other people speaking increase throughout time. So this is one of the ways to help them to get more words and then they are more exposed to it. The second one is to improve motor planning. Teacher, I thought motor planning is just for the body movement. Not exactly. It includes speech production. In order for you to say something, you need to plan things in your brains. So this is one of the ways to help them to independently plan out what I want to say. Or if I see this happy face, for example, this is one of the ways, motor planning. And last but not least, for them to build confidence to speak up more. This is one of the way for them for those kids that have problem to feel a bit shy, to let the voice out. This is one of the way to build confidence. Like, hey, it's okay. Happy face, silly face, sad face, ugly face. This is one of the way for them to, one step further into trying to be independently speak with other people. And for age appropriate, I would say 2 to 3 years would be great for this task, and especially because different age focuses on different adjective. So that's all from me. Thank you.